Most people spend hours scrolling LinkedIn and spending a lot of their time in really finding the right leads, researching for their contact information, putting them onto a Google Sheet, and then actually reaching out to them manually. This automation, the one that we just built for you, it would literally create an agent that would scrape the Instagram leads for you. It would put them onto a Google Sheet, remove the duplicates, and send personalized outreach DMs and send emails and text messages to their personal contact information all automatically. Hi, my name is Arham and I create automations for a living. We help other agency owners and SaaSpreneurs out there to really hire the best AI agent experts or the right fulfillment teams, or we just build the right AI agents for you. In these YouTube videos of mine, I am actually going to explain the certain automations that we're giving away for free to our viewers. So yeah, this is a video which is not built on to teach you how to build agents. Rather, these agents are already built for you. I'll just explain how these work in my video, and by the end of the video, you can actually get the exact file which you can just copy and paste in your n8n window, and it would just work perfectly fine. But in order for it to work perfectly fine, you'll have to watch this video to see how this works. Hop onto my screen and I'll show you how this works. Now, the step number one, which is the trigger. We start with a manual trigger, which is called execute workflow. This gives you full control. You decide when to run the system, which is perfect for avoiding spam and keeping your email deliverability rate. Of course, you remember I told you we're also sending them emails and text messages, right? So the next step is actually reading the Google Sheets. The workflow reads your existing Google Sheets. This is where your Instagram leads are stored. The purpose? To check for duplicates, so you never waste time in actually reaching out to the duplicate leads. Now, step number 3 is actually scraping the Instagram leads, which is the main part. We use the node which is called Getting Insta Leads. This is powered by Apify, which is a very, very powerful scraping tool out there. This scrapes fresh data like profiles, usernames, and sometimes their email address and phone number as well, if that is available, and stores that into a dataset. The next step is that from there, the Get Dataset Item node, which is in there in n8n, it pulls those fresh results. In this setup, it fetches 50 leads at a time, which is a sweet spot for processing without overloading, right? So we have to respect the system's or the platform's limitation as well. Now, moving down, the step number 5 is the if node. This is where the logic actually happens. This is the decision point. The if node compares the new leads against your Google Sheets. If the lead is new, it gets added to the sheet. If it's already there, it's skipped with the no operation node, and you can see that on my screen as well. This keeps your list clean and up to date. Now, saving to Google Sheet. All new leads pass through an append row in Google Sheet. This is a node storing them in a Google Sheet. This means that your central database is always growing with fresh and new leads. Now, there's a limit for outreach, right? To avoid blasting too many emails at once, a limit node, I have set up a limit node in there, which restricts the outreach to just 3 new leads per run. This is according to the system limitations and Instagram policies. This keeps your outreach focused, personal, and of course compliant. Now, the cold email generator, this is the fun part. Here's where the AI takes over. The cold email generator uses Grok chat, simple memory, and think nodes to craft personalized cold emails. These emails are actually personalized according to the target audience, your niche, and your offer. So the emails that you're sending to your audience are actually perfectly aligned with what you're offering. It takes each lead's Instagram info, their niche, and their profile data and turns it into a natural, engaging email draft. This is amazing, right? Now, the wait node, I've set up a small wait node which adds a delay before sending emails. This prevents emails from firing at once, and this prevents your email reputation as well. This is very helpful because in email marketing, the number one thing is actually the email reputation, right? Your emails need to be landing in the inbox folder rather than spam or promotions. Now, the outreach email. Finally, we're using Gmail right now to send AI generated emails. Each email is personalized with the leads details, ensuring your outreach feels humanized. However, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how we connected this automation with the most powerful CRM tool out there, which is Go High Level. We use Go High Level for about 350 of our clients, and we use that software to basically manage the leads for customer relationship management, for initial cold outreach, for lead follow-up, for appointment reminders, for our membership portals, for our affiliate manager, and the list goes on. So Go High Level is literally the most powerful CRM tool out there. If you're not using it in your agency, you're missing out on a lot. There's a link in description which you can use to just get access to Go High Level. It's a 30-day free trial, and by using our link you get access to a lot of other benefits, which includes free VA support, which includes access to our free membership community, and of course the automations that we're doing right now, these are for free. But the premium automation, they come with a cost, right? But if you sign up using our link, you don't have to pay that cost, you get that for free. Now, getting back to the topic, the end node. The workflow closes with a simple no operation node, just to end things neatly. But by this point, you've scrapped, cleaned, stored, and reached out to the leads which you scrapped on LinkedIn. Now, let's talk about the results. You actually saved hours of manual prospecting, you actually saved hours of your VA's time, and you actually kept your profile within the system's capabilities and respecting the platform's policies as well. This gives you a very clean list of all the leads who are very, very interested in your service because they are already in your niche. And it is fully automated, which means you can just press a button at the start of your day. It will put new leads into your data set. Then this Go High Level system would actually reach out to those leads all automatically on their phone number, email address, and on their Instagram profile. Now, if you're not aware of Go High Level, go into my channel, watch a video on how powerful it is. I mean, literally, we have 50x'd our profit margin just by using Go High Level. And I can just go ahead and rant about all about the good things of High Level, but the best is that you just watch my video, use my link to subscribe. It's a 30 days trial, so there's nothing to lose, right? But in my next video, I'll actually show you how we connected this automation with Go High Level. So at the start of every day, you press a button, you get the leads in Google Sheet, Go High Level reaches out to those leads automatically, and voila, you have our lead generation system working just like that. Cheers.